Oh, look at her. Whimpering away. There's some dogs in our neighbor's backyard. Okay, there's somewhere. Oh, there's one. You can see that. Can you see the tail? And she whimpers at him like she wants to go outside, but she never actually goes outside. Not sure why this is, but that's the case. You are a ridiculous dog. You know that. It's kind of pathetic, to be honest. It's adorable, though.
I know, I thought it was more.
Kids Find TV, Baby
Abby,
versus
quiet.
Police.
No, we're not gonna watch that right now. I'm recording this. Oh my gosh, it's getting louder and more aggressive. Ridiculous doggy. Abby, come on. Do any of your guys' dogs do this? I'm outside?
Outside!
Shh. She's not gonna go outside, Mom. Yep. Being pathetic little stinker.
Aaron,
What?
do you want to watch this?
No, I can't right now.
See, that was so cute. That's a ridiculous dog.
I said that before. Do you want to go see the dogs, Emma? Are the dogs outside? Are the dogs outside, doggy? You are a strange little case, aren't you? You are a funny little one. Oh, there she goes again. Turn it down, turn it down. I'm trying to record this. Because she's doing this for a really long time. Alright, that's enough.